Do you see all the notifications in the Instacart Shopper app saying that new shopper roles are available? And have you ever wondered what it's like to be an in-store shopper? Well, I signed up to be an in-store shopper, and here's what I learned. First off, what do in-store shoppers do? They essentially shop the orders in the store, bag the items, check them out, and put them into the staging area for Instacart drivers to come by and pick up the orders and deliver them. The role is 6-hour shifts Monday through Friday, with weekend shifts available from 9 o'clock in the morning till 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., or 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You get paid by the hour, and even if there's no orders and you're still there at the store, you still get paid. So what does the pay look like? When I talked to the recruiter, I was told that it would be $12.50 an hour for the market that I'm in, which is 30 cents over minimum wage right now. But minimum wage will increase to $13.20 on December 21st, 2021. It'll be interesting to see if Instacart increases their pay as well. Also, stores like McDonald's and Burger King's are starting out new people at $15 an hour, so being an in-store shopper really isn't a great option, and I don't know why anybody would do it. The recruiter told me that you can work up to 29 hours a week, which is a thing that companies like to do, so that way they don't have to pay you health insurance, they don't have to give you any sort of benefits. The recruiter said that you can earn sick time, but he didn't give any more information other than that. He also said that each 500 hours that you work, you will get a 25-cent increase in your pay. In my opinion, that's pretty terrible as well. That means that it'll take you 17 and a half weeks to be able to make a 25-cent increase in pay, which is approximately a third of the year. So it'll be about a little bit over 4 months that it takes you to get a 25-cent increase in your pay. The worst part about being an in-store shopper is that you are unable to do full-service shopping if you are an in-store shop. You simply can't do both. This was the most important thing to me because I thought that I could do in-store shopping on the days that I was scheduled, and then I could go and do full service shopping on the days that I wasn't scheduled and make more money. But the Instacart recruiter said that you could only be one or the other, and the Instacart system will only allow one. So if you do choose to be an in-store shopper, I'm not sure that you can be a full service shopper anymore. I felt like they really need in-store shoppers for some reason, probably because Instacart can pay $5 for the batch pay for delivering the order that the in-store shopper just shopped. So Instacart could save some money on that. The recruiter guy that I talked to was really pushing it hard for me to try to be an in-store shopper. He was trying everything that he could to make it sound like it was the best thing since sliced bread by telling me that there could be 300 full service shoppers in an area and only 200 orders are available, so the other 100 people are going to sit in their car and not see any orders. He also was talking about how much snow I get here. It's December 11th right now, and this is how much snow we have here. So we have no snow here because it's currently 56 degrees outside, and it gets cold and it snows for like 2 days, and then it just keeps getting warm. So that point's not even valid. He was also talking about the price of gas and how he doesn't understand how people can pay for gas and car repairs and still do full service shopping. So obviously he's never tried it and he doesn't understand that it's simple and easy to do. Next, he told me that insurance companies are getting wind of who is doing these gig economy apps, and they are laying down ultimatums saying, if we find out you get into an accident, we might not cover you because you are using your car for work, end quote. Then he continued to talk about the snow and how bad the snow is up here in Fulton and Oswego, New York, due to the lake effect snow. And I told him like I lived in Buffalo, New York, where Lake Ontario gives us a bunch of snow just like here, and I was fine in Buffalo and I'll be fine here. And he kept assuring me that we get way more snow here, so we shall see. He told me that the next steps to be an in-store shopper were that I would need to go down to the price chopper in my area and I would have to fill out an I-9 form, which is work eligibility form. I would have to bring my driver's license and social security number card, and I would have to let them know what days I was available to work the following week. Then he told me about the training schedule and how it works. That training is paid. Day one is 2 hours online, where you go over the basics of the app and you find out all of the policies and everything like that. Day 2 is a live shopping day where you go with a in-store shopper lead and you follow them around and they help you shop and order so that way you can get the hang of everything, because the bagging and checking out process is a little bit different than being a full service shopper. When you shop as an in-store shopper, you are bagging the groceries as you are finding the items in the store. And on your phone, you just have all of the barcodes. So you go up to the cashier with your phone and they just scan each of the barcodes and you're all set to go and put the items in the staging area. It doesn't seem like a very hard job. It doesn't seem too great to me either. That's why I decided to stay as a full service shopper. But I hope that you guys liked this video. If this video gave you helpful information, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps get this video out to more people so I can share my helpful tips and tricks and everything that I'm learning about Instacart with more people. If you have any questions or comments about being an in-store shopper, or if you have any experience being an in-store shopper, please leave your comment or questions down below. And have any of you guys considered being an in-store shopper? And now that you have this information, do you think that you will try to be an in-store shopper? I'm really curious to find out, so please let me know. I hope that you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.